So 2.8 talks about one-to-one functions and their inverses.
Can you scroll it down a bit?
Yeah. So, first we need to know what an inverse is. An inverse is kind of like the opposite of a function, the opposite of a certain function. The reason why I say opposite is the way you find it is switch the x and y's and solve. Graphically, if you have a parabola, here's the parabola. Its inverse is a parabola on its side. Okay?
That's not a problem.
This is a parabola.
Right.
This is a parabola on its side. This is the inverse.
Right, but then that wouldn't make it a function.
It's not a function anymore.
Oh, okay.
So this one is a function, but this one's not.
Yeah.
That's actually what we're going to talk about today. So what Callan just alluded to is correct. A one-to-one function, it's a function that's inverse is also a function. So Callan says this guy right here, he's not a function. That's right. Parabolas are not one-to-one. Because the inverse is not a function. So there's two ways to test. The first way is a horizontal line test. It's the same as the vertical line test, only you do it horizontally. So a parabola is not one-to-one. Why? Because it crosses in two spots. So we'd be able to say not one-to-one. Algebraically, these are the steps you have to do. First, you find the inverse. Then f of g of x. Find the inverse and you call it g of x. F of g of x has to equal x. And g of f of x has to equal x. They cannot be positive or negative. They have to equal x completely.